Hey everybody, welcome to another Origami Wednesday. Today we're going to make a very pretty butterfly. This is a little different than a previous butterfly that we made. And the best part is, it's also a bookmark. Yeah, that's right, you'll have a butterfly. It'll be butterflies in the sky, just like on the show. Only in this case it's going to be your bookmark too. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is take your paper and cut it in half. Since most of the origami paper is a square, half is pretty easy. You can either fold it in half, mark it, and cut it with a ruler. If you're good with scissors, you can also cut it with scissors. If you have a paper cutter, whatever works for you. This is also about the size and shape of a dollar bill. Now, a dollar bill is going to be slightly narrower, but if you want to leave somebody a fancy tip, this could be the way to do it, okay? First thing we're going to do is fold lengthwise and give that a nice hard crease. I like this because we're actually going to be doing a lot of folding and then you turn it inside out. And you know how I like to do that because I like to pretend we're hiding secrets. So cut it lengthwise and then we're going to fold, not cut. We're just going to fold in half. Okay. Now, this is the fold part. Goes up at the top, and then I'm going to fold this edge to our middle seam. Okay, give that a nice hard crease. This edge to the middle seam. Okay. And then I'm going to turn these guys. I'm going to tuck them inside. This is the nice thing about giving them a good hard crease. It makes flipping it inside much easier if your hands work, which sometimes. There we go. Okay. Now, we're going to open it up on each side. Okay. So we have a little house. We've made a little house. Now we don't want a monochrome house. We could have kept that, but that wouldn't have worked. We want, because I have two colored paper, we definitely want to have the roof a different color than the rest of the house. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to fold this side all the way down. A nice hard crease. This side all the way down. Now we have a very short house and a very large roof, but that is okay. Now, I'm going to take it, I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to fold this guy inside. Okay? So again, I'm going to open this, and I'm going to fold toward the middle. Okay? So that means I've made it all one color again. Okay. Then I'm going to take this, I'm going to put my thumb here. Okay? Because I'm going to use that as a way to mark where I want this fold to end. This is the trick. This took me a little while to figure out. Put my thumb here, and I know where that's going to do that. On the other side, in the same place. Okay? So these should match pretty evenly. Open this guy up. Tuck it inside. That way, the tops of the wings are going to be the same. Okay, pull that guy up, tuck it inside. And then when I lay it down and open my butterfly wings up, there is a butterfly. And here is where you can slip it over the corner of the page that you're reading and mark your book. And that is just a cute little butterfly. You could also put a 4-leaf clover in here and give it to a friend, family member, yourself. Put it in your billfold. Or if you're at a restaurant and you want to give your server a fancy tip and you have money, that's always the trick there, go ahead and fold it up and give them that and you are all set. Super, super easy, very cute, and useful. Everybody have a great week. We will see you next week for another Origami Wednesday. Have a great one. Bye.